Hi, this is Tesla Today, where we talk about the latest news and exciting things Tesla is doing to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share our videos. This really helps us thrive as a channel and continue making great videos for you every week. Today, we'll be talking about Tesla's new Model Pi smartphone. Is it a Neuralink phone? How much would it cost? Can I own it without first buying an EV? Is it designed to work on Mars? When is the date of release? And much more. Here's what we know, and don't know. It's been widely reported that US-based EV maker Tesla will, officially, launch the Model Pi phone, later this year. It's not clear exactly when, if at all, but the tech rumor mill is awash with Pi talk. In September, DevDiscourse.com reported, 2021 did not pass by Elon Musk. Every day in search engines, people ask the same question: is Tesla releasing a phone? Yes, we will see Elon Musk's smartphone soon. In addition to a Starlink satellite connectivity, the Tesla Model Pi Chameleon smartphone is said to have 4 cameras, solar charging, and skin that changes color in a futuristic design. How much is the Tesla smartphone? While speculations abound, there are numerous unanswered questions, such as, how much would it retail for? Does it have a SIM card? What's the monthly charge for using Starlink? Can I buy one, without first buying a Tesla EV? Is the Tesla phone an anywhere phone? Rumors that Tesla is indeed making a smartphone were bolstered after the world-famous design studio ADR released concept images, in a video. This made people wonder, is Tesla going to go after the iPhone? Or simply create an entirely new market segment, such as a true-to-form satellite phone that works where traditional Wi-Fi or 5G services are absent, and able to mine cryptocurrencies anywhere, including on the planet Mars. Is it a Neuralink phone? The Model Pi is also rumored to have a brain phone interface from Neuralink. The company, controlled by Musk, is developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces to connect humans and computers. When is the release date? Its release date is a closely guarded secret. A Starlink antenna is being taken out of the box. A smartphone with high-speed connectivity anywhere would be compelling gear to have, as it skips the need for a terrestrial connection. Tech publications have leaked images of the new device supposedly out of the EV maker, including some details of what it can do. Is the Tesla phone for Mars? The most persistent rumor is that the phone will have a Starlink connection. By definition, that would enable the phone to work on Mars, too, and be able to connect to Earthlings. From Bell to 5G, the phone has come a long way since Alexander Graham Bell patented his gear in 1876. This 2021, the total global 5G smartphone output is expected to hit about 500 million. In addition, the 5G penetration rate will swiftly climb to 37%. Market intelligence firm TrendForce states the top 7 global phone makers in 2021 are Samsung, Apple, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Huawei, and Transsion. Together, they will account for about 80% of the global phone market. This market, however, could be disrupted by an affordable sat phone. What of the pet project? Starlink is one of the most important pet projects of Elon Musk and perfectly fits into the next generation smartphone. Tesla is closely linked to SpaceX, a private satellite launcher with ambitions to land humans on Mars. Starlink, of course, seeks to build a network of low-orbit satellites to provide easy internet access anywhere, eventually sending more than 40,000 satellites to low Earth orbit. It has reached more than 500,000 signups. Native Starlink support for the Tesla Pi phone, if it does come out, is a widely expected feature. Trackers of the space industry have reported there are currently over 1,600 Starlink satellites in orbit, making it the biggest artificial constellation of its kind. The number will continue to grow as reusable rockets make launches even cheaper. Even if making smartphones does prove to be as tough as rocket science, Tesla is a tech innovator that's also closely related to SpaceX, today one of the most advanced space companies, and the first to use reusable rockets that land vertically on the ground and on sea drones. Is the Tesla phone exclusively for Mars? The Tesla Pi phone is rumored to be designed to work on Mars, not the cafe or theater or chocolate bar, but Mars the planet. Tesla CEO Elon Musk famously said, "I would like to die on Mars. Just not on impact." What tech media reports about the Tesla phone? Rumors surrounding the new gadget are rife in Chinese tech media, too. The Chinese edition of My Drivers reported Tesla's new smartphone will be a real gadget revolution when it hits the market, commanding a very high desirability factor. None of the leading phone makers has a satellite connectivity feature. Is the Tesla Model Pi the first satellite phone? If indeed it does come out, the Tesla Model Pi smartphone won't be the first satellite phone, i.e. Thuraya and Iridium. But it would be the first satellite phone compatible with Starlink, an under-construction globe-spanning communication satellite constellation being developed by SpaceX designed to deliver high-speed internet even in the remotest part of the world. Latency with low Earth orbit satellites is much lower, expected to deliver 200 megabits per second upload/download speeds. According to rumors swirling around tech media, the smartphone will be available this year. There are numerous unanswered questions, such as, how much would it retail for? Does it have a SIM card? What's the monthly charge for using Starlink? Can I buy one without first buying a Tesla EV? Tesla isn't an outlier anymore in the auto business, being the first carmaker to hit $1 trillion in market capitalization, and also the fastest to have reached that milestone. Many analysts, however, say its journey is just beginning as robotaxis driven by AI could change how people move, thereby creating a new, multi-trillion-dollar market. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, if you want to see more about the innovations Tesla is putting in place to make the world a better place, please subscribe to the channel.